Hi guys, good afternoon ulit. So yun, alam na natin, Bad Genius. Of course, maraming questions sa atin. One of the biggest question right now, I'm sure na tanong natin lahat is, anong pagkakaiba ng Bad Genius, the series, na Filipino adaptation doon sa mga unang nilabas? Especially na meron tayong expectations, kilala siya worldwide. It was done in the US, in India, and then at the same time we have the movie and the series version. So, malaki yung pinagdaanan namin to develop the whole material. Actually, the whole staff and the cast as well. We've done several workshops for them. At the same time, inaral namin yung bawat isang character nila para to give a new flavor, a new image, kumbaga, ng Bad Genius na sigurado magugustuhan ng Filipino audience. So, may mga bagay kaming dinagdag dito na hindi siya usually na makikita. So, for next slide, yun, for the character of Lynn, alam na naman natin lahat kung ano yung character ni Lynn, a brilliant high school student na kung saan siya yung utak at puso ng buong series. And then later on, something happened na kumbaga nag-start ng kumbaga yung the whole cheating na nangyari doon sa school and then up to the national level. So, basically, ano ba yung dinagdag namin dito? I mean, di ba, lahat naman yan ang question natin. May mga facet ng personality sila na hindi pa na-explore ng series, na yun yung kumbaga ang dinagdag namin to be part of this buong project. We added nung first time na inalok natin kay Atasha, I remember is that ang takot namin is that will Atasha will accept the project for this. And we were so grateful kay Atasha nung nalaman namin na parang, I think it took a week bago namin nalaman kung tatanggapin niya yung project. Parang kami na nila Nins. Si Miss Nins, yung producer ko, I think nandito siya. Nasa na yun? Nagtatago yun, ayaw magpakita eh. Ayun, si Miss Nins. Sabi ko ngayon kay Miss, babalita, tinanggap na ba? Hindi pa direct ang babalitaan kita kung ano magiging resulta ng ano. But we were so grateful na tinanggap ni Atasha yung project for Bad Genius. So now for the character for the next slide, please. Si Grace. Medyo sophisticated yung character ni Grace eh. And we know that Hyacinth will give tagito ng tama doon sa personality and character mismo ni Grace. We have no other person or another actor that we have in mind that will be casted other than Hyacinth for the role. Now next slide po. Same with Gab. Yun. It was hard for us to look for kung sino yung babagay as Pat. Parang mahabang discussion to eh, kung sinong babagay for the character of Pat until we have this one set down with all the producers and the creative team, and then isa-isa namin, and then doon lumabas yung pangalan ni Gab, and then I think a week na no? Bago ka namin kinausap about it nung minute ka namin sa office So, after that, we know na siya talaga yung personality na hinahanap namin for the role of Pat. And lastly, syempre, si Jairus. Ayun, hindi ko na sasabihin yun. Yun. Well, si character ni Pam, pasok na pasok siya for Jairus. I know you have a lot of questions later that you want to ask about the series and how we prepare for the whole material. But right now, bibigay ko yung mic kay Atasha.
Back to you, Direct.
Super dad and super genius. At aling aspeto dito ang napaghugutan nyo para umatake dito sa series na to?
Ganda ng tanong, ha? Talagang pang finale. Okay. Sino may sagot? Let's start with... Okay, so...
Di ako artista.
So in what aspects are you bad and geniuses in real life? Okay. How about... Sige. Direct.
Okay, bad. Pinaka-bad ako sa bagay na dito. PlayStation. Sobrang addict ako sa PlayStation. Yeah. I mean, may mga, kapag wala akong work, yun yung mga tipong tatlong araw na gising pa ako. Nakalaro ng PlayStation. Parang name a game. I'll give you what you should do. Di ba ganun? Sobrang addict ako dyan. Yan yung weakness ko.
Siguro same kay Direk, pero in terms of play, sa computer naman, like I would say 4 a.m., 5 a.m. playing games from 4 p.m. So grabe ako maglaro. And at the same time, siguro weakness ko rin minsan is yung when you give instructions or kapag sa school, kung walang hindi ina-analyze or hindi pinapakita sa akin ng kung paano siya gawin, medyo hirap ako siyang intindihin. Not until pakita sa akin kung paano gawin, especially with film. Kung ituturo lang sa akin verbal, parang medyo malilito ako. Pero on the spot, kaya minsan mas gusto ko na, doing camera ops na talaga on the spot, shadowing mga VOPs natin sa industry. Mas naiintindihan ko kasi yung bagay na yun. So, genius siguro, hindi ako magaling pero siguro comfortable ako sa pagbabasketball sa sports. Some kind of physical activities, medyo may confidence akong gawin, comfortable akong gawin. And doing this job, siyempre, mahal ko to, gusto ko to. So, yeah, siguro dun ako genius. Kinda.
Para sa akin po, hindi naman bad, pero weakness would have to be that one thing perfectionist ako. Meaning, I really pay attention to the details and I expect myself to be able to do the work that's needed. And in terms of genius, siguro po yung high school and college life was very kind of like a nerd. I always tried to make sure I did my best with my school and my academics.
Siguro po, for the bad part, I think one of my weaknesses would just be trying my best all the time to balance everything. Especially as someone, I live alone and I can only take care of myself because all of my family is far away. I have a lot of moments where sometimes I feel like I wish I could have some guidance or like help, and that's why I always do my best to be independent and to take care of myself. But I have a lot of help along the way. For the genius part, maybe in terms of that, I guess I'm good at trusting that eventually it'll all get figured out, and trusting the universe and just myself. At the end of the day, I know that I can come back to myself and trust myself no matter what I'm dealing with. Thank you.
For me, siguro yung bad ko, I'm an overthinker. So, usually, yun nga, like, yung sinabi ni Tash, like, she's perfectionist, like, like, I want to always give 100%, and sometimes I feel like it's not enough ba. So, I always overthink kung tama ba yung ginawa ko, or ano, and I always overthink kung meron pa akong better options na nagawa, ganun. So, yes, so genius, I'm a very competitive person, like, I love sports, so, sometimes, it's too much yung pagiging competitive ko. Pero yun, nadadala ko yun sa sports and sa work and sa sa mga iba't ibang bagay.
Thank you guys, and again, congratulations.
Okay, and this will be a free-for-all, so ladies and gentlemen, feel free to come up if you do want the closer shots. And that concludes our Bad Genius this series cast reveal and story conference. Thank you to our esteemed guests, media partners, and of course the brilliant minds behind the show. Don't forget to download Viva One and subscribe. You may also stream via Viva